Hi Norwegian cruise fans, welcome back to my channel Cruise with Grant, where we talk about all things Norwegian Cruise Lines. In today's video, we're going to talk a little bit about the top 5 ways that you can save money while on board your next Norwegian cruise. So without further ado, let's get into it. If you're somebody who likes to enjoy a drink or a few drinks while you're on your Norwegian cruise, there's one top tip I can share that will help to make sure that you're not spending any more money than you have to. Even if you've got the all-inclusive drinks package, one of the things that a lot of people don't know is that oftentimes while you're in port, there are additional fees and taxes that you have to pay on any beverages. This includes alcoholic and non-alcoholic drinks. So if you're able to wait a little bit longer, you can save yourself some money by waiting until the ship has gone out of the port area and you're in the open waters. If you're looking for the ultimate way to relax on your vacation, you're probably already thinking about the Mandera Spa. The spa offers a wide range of treatments, including massages, facials, haircuts, and shaves that are the ultimate way to indulge on your vacation. Now, if you're looking to save some money on these treatments, here are my top tips. One of the things that many people probably already know about is that if you've taken a Norwegian cruise before, their Latitudes Rewards program offers small discounts on spa treatments to many of the tier levels. Not to worry if you've never taken a Norwegian cruise before, I've still got some tips for you that will help you save money. Every night you're going to receive a package on your bed at the end of the day, including your Freestyle Daily, your program for the day. Included in those packages is often a number of different promotions, including flyers like this one. Keep an eye out because you may find that there's a discount already being offered on some of the spa treatments that you've already been eyeballing. My last tip is think about using the spa on a port day. So if you're not planning to get off of the ship, the cruise line often offers pretty significant discounts on spa treatments. So wander up to the Mandera Spa and ask them about what discounts they may be able to offer you while in port. Sometimes these discounts can be as big as 25 or 30% off of the regular price. They may also be able to combine some of these port discounts with your regular Latitudes Rewards discounts for big savings on an afternoon of relaxation. If you're like me and you like taking longer cruises, you're inevitably going to reach that point in the cruise where you need to do laundry, maybe desperately, so that you have clean clothes to be able to enjoy the rest of your vacation. So here are my top tips to help you save some money while getting your laundry done. This first tip is very similar to the one that I shared about spa discounts. So keep an eye open on your Freestyle Daily package because oftentimes the cruise line will include coupons for various laundry services, like this one here for pressing services. In addition to some savings on particular services, there's one magical day that I call Laundry Day, and it comes about halfway through the cruise where they will offer you a fixed price for a bag of laundry. This allows you to put as much as you can fit into the laundry bag that you'll find in your closet for one set price. You use the same itemized list that they'll provide you in the laundry bag, but don't worry, you're not going to be paying $3 for a pair of underwear. You just put your clothes in, you track the things that you've included in your laundry bag, and they'll charge you one fixed price as part of your regular bill. Now, if you're lucky enough to be part of the Latitudes Reward program and you reach the platinum level or above, you'll automatically also get a free bag of laundry included as part of your cruise. So there's a number of different ways, depending on your latitude status and how desperate you are to get your laundry done to help you save some money during your cruise vacation. One of my favorite ways to try to maintain those vacation cruise ship vibes, even when I'm back home, is to pick up some swag while I'm on the cruise ship. So if you're looking to buy some Norwegian swag, maybe like these amazing sweatpants that I picked up on my last vacation on the Norwegian getaway, here's some tips on how you can save money. Now, unfortunately, this one is mainly for my fellow cruisers who are already part of the Latitudes Rewards program. So if you look at the brochure that you'll receive, usually on your first night of the cruise, there'll be something waiting for you in your room. It will tell you the percentage of the discount that you receive at the onboard shops. And again, keep in mind that discount is only on Norwegian branded merchandise. So if you're looking for water bottles, playing cards, beach towels, they've got lots of things that you can take home to remember your Norwegian vacation. So who are we kidding? When we're thinking about booking a cruise vacation, we're absolutely thinking about the food. I know for me, whenever I'm getting ready for a vacation, all I can think about is the amazing variety of food and also the fine dining experiences that Norwegian offers at a fraction of the cost often for what I can get it for here at home. So here are my top tips to help you enjoy the a la carte dining options on board Norwegian while saving a little bit of money. And don't get me wrong, the complimentary options on board Norwegian are fantastic. I really enjoy going to the main dining rooms most nights to enjoy a good dinner. But Norwegian's a la carte restaurants offer a wide variety of different kinds of restaurants, from French food at Le Bistro to Brazilian steakhouse. And some of the newer ships have restaurants like Los Lobos that offer Mexican cuisine, or the American Diner if you're looking for comfort food. My personal favorite is Cagney's Steakhouse. Their truffle fries are absolutely amazing, but we'll talk a little bit more about that in another video. So here are some ways that you can save some money while enjoying Norwegian's a la carte restaurants. First and foremost, when you are booking your vacation, you'll get the opportunity to purchase their dining packages. You can also do this once you're on board the ship. There's no difference in the cost. As you're booking a package, you want to think about how many times you might want to dine throughout the course of your cruise, depending on its length. The more dining packages you purchase, the cheaper the meal cost is. So on my last cruise, it was a 14-day cruise, we ended up buying 5 because we did the math and we realized after 5, the dining package becomes probably the most affordable. And with your dining package, you will get a fixed menu, so you can choose appetizers, usually appetizers and a salad or soup, main course option, and a dessert. So you get all of those included with your dining package price. So again, think about how many times you may want to dine, and I'll have another video where I can talk a little bit more about making reservations so you can enjoy all of the meals that you've purchased throughout the course of your trip. Now, this last tip is for my fellow cruisers who are part of the Latitudes Rewards program. If you're at the platinum level or above, Norwegian treats you to 2 complimentary a la carte dinners for your cruise. And you get those vouchers for each stateroom. So just a note, if you're 2 people at the platinum level and above, you'll still get the same number of vouchers for your cruise. Now, if you've got a companion, the 2 of you can go to dine, and again, 1 voucher will be for Cagney's or Le Bistro, and it includes a complimentary bottle of wine from the menu, or you'll get another coupon that you can use at La Cucina or Moderno. Depending on the restaurants that are available on your sailing, these coupons may have slight differences in terms of where you can use them. Now, if you're a solo traveler like myself, you can use these in combination with another guest who may have vouchers as well. So a lot of times people make friends. Cruises are a great place to meet new people and find people that you can mix and match your coupons with. So if you've each got 2 vouchers, you can find a way to enjoy 4 a la carte dining evenings by just finding a friend who you can trade your vouchers with. So it's a great way to enjoy some additional a la carte dinners without having to spend additional money. So there you have it. Those are my top 5 tips for saving money on your Norwegian cruise. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please remember to give it a like and also to subscribe to my channel, because it really does help me out and encourage me to make some more content to help you make the most of your Norwegian cruise. I hope that you have a wonderful day, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!